To start sending money with Zelle through the Chase app, first ensure you have the Chase mobile app downloaded and installed on your smartphone. Open the app and log in using your credentials. Then, navigate to the Pay and Transfer menu and select Pay with Zelle. If you're a first-time user, you'll need to enroll. Link your Chase checking account and verify your enrollment via SMS or email. This verification process adds a layer of security to protect your transactions. Once enrolled, you're ready to send and receive money instantly. Make sure the app is up to date to use the latest biometric authentication for secure transactions. Open the Chase app and log in to get started. Navigate to the Pay and Transfer menu, then select Pay with Zelle. Add a new recipient by entering their email or mobile number. Make sure they are enrolled in Zelle. Enter the amount you want to send and add an optional note. Confirm the details using biometric authentication like fingerprint or facial recognition or your PIN. This is especially important for transactions over $500. Funds are deducted directly from your Chase checking account. The recipient receives a notification and money appears in their account instantly if they bank with Chase or within minutes to 1 to 3 business days otherwise. Remember, Zelle transfers are generally irreversible, so verify the recipient's information carefully before sending.